Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Moon Zombies. To begin, your main goal is to survive endless rounds of zombies. You start with a basic pistol and a knife, which are effective for the first few rounds. Look for power-ups dropped by defeated zombies, like max ammo or insta-kill, to help you. Remember to open doors to new areas as soon as you can afford them, expanding your playable space and access to better resources. Mastering a few key tactics will significantly boost your survival. Always aim for the head. It deals the most damage and grants more points, which are crucial for buying new weapons and opening doors. Keep an eye on your surroundings at all times to prevent zombies from trapping you. Use the map to your advantage, creating choke points or escape routes to manage the horde effectively. To truly dominate, you'll need powerful weapons and helpful perks. The Pack-a-Punch machine is essential for upgrading your firearms, making them much stronger and giving them unique abilities. Look for perk machines around the map. Juggernog, for example, gives you significantly more health, allowing you to take more hits. Experiment with various weapons to discover what suits your playstyle best. For those aiming for higher rounds, consider these advanced tips. Completing in-game challenges can provide valuable bonus points and special rewards, helping you progress faster. Teamwork is incredibly important. Coordinating with teammates for revives and covering different areas dramatically increases your chances of survival. Finally, learn the map's intricacies to optimize your movement, create effective training routes, and escape dangerous situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.